3, 2, 1. We have a blast. To make that, take half-inch pipe, half-inch end caps, any metal thing which can go inside. One spring. This spring can be found in your home gas lighter. Add one small nut at the top to pull this thing. The arrangement will be like this. I will put this throughout and I will put this here, so it will be like that. So this thing will be flexible. To add firepower, I have to cut throughout here, and also I have to cut a hole to get this metal thing fixed inside. So for the first cut, I'm going to do the marking. And for the hole, so after marking, I need to cut the pipe. So I'm taking like 15 centimeter. I will cut it here. I have successfully cut this part. Now I'm going to clean it up a little bit. I have decided to add one more pipe over the original pipe for the strength. I'm going to do same marking. I have to take this cutout here. I have kept 1 centimeter from here. Cap can stuck here, and I will do the marking same here and cut same rectangle like that. I have also made the rectangular hole in the outer pipe also. I'm going to file it properly and make it smooth. Also going to add one hole to the top cap, so our spring top can easily come out. That much diameter hole I'm going to put here. I have successfully made a hole on the upper cap, and the spring is going properly inside. As the squares are properly matching, I'm going to put the cap over here. I have cut this additional pipe. It's a 15 centimeter length, and now I am going to cut that smaller pipe. I have done the marking. I'm taking 1 centimeter extra, so the cap and the other end cap can fit there. I have cut the inner pipe and it's perfectly coming. I put some millimeters extra so I can file later on if it is not getting too tight. So I'm going to do the final installation of the metal part inside and do the final fitting. The base is perfectly fit. Now we will add the top. Also added the main bar to the external pipe and going to add the top now. I have made a hole at the top of the cap and put the spring inside, so it is perfectly doing well. So now I'm going to add the top. So the top is finally installed and project is ready.